My 3-year-old son wasn't choosing to be a drug addict. He was poisoned.
Back in June 2024, Jacob Towe lost his 3-year-old son, Leonardo Leo Towe, to a fentanyl overdose in the hands of his mother, who was later arrested on child neglect charges. For Towe, this raises concerns regarding DHS's drug testing policy, since the mother was never tested for fentanyl. Now, with Leo's law, he's pushing for DHS to include fentanyl on its drug test panel whenever it is suspected or involved in a case.
I mean, it's the number one killer of young Americans, and it's not even involved in child welfare policies. It probably should be, and we just need to update these things.
Last year, more than 105,000 Americans died from overdoses. About 69% were linked to synthetic opioids like fentanyl, according to the CDC. We reached out to DHS about Leo's law, and they told us that they do not have a comment. We also spoke to Representatives J.J. Humphrey and John Waldron about their thoughts on the bill.
I'm in favor of the bill. I support that. Doing the drug testing, locating and making sure that we do everything that we can to stop fentanyl.
Well, I think it's a great idea, and Democrats have always been in favor of harm reduction. We understand that there's a substance abuse crisis in the country, and one of our duties is to see how much we can do to reduce the harm of drugs and substances like fentanyl in American society.
Now Jacob is heading to the state capitol on November 14th alongside other parents and advocates for fentanyl awareness. The Speaker of the House is expected to announce the legislative wording for Leo's law.
Because it can save so many children's lives. I really believe that could have saved my son's life. So I'm going to work and try to do that for other families. I don't want them to feel like this every day.